show you what's inside my go bag in case of an emergency or disaster. We have 7 outlines in this video. We have the foods, the first aid kit, the hygiene kit, tools, electronic devices, money and important documents, and lastly, the clothing. So for foods, we have the canned goods, and then biscuits, and of course, noodles, and lastly, we have clean water. And for our first aid kit, we have here cotton, Band-Aid, medicine, alcohol, and lastly we have the mask. And next we have our hygiene kit, and we have here sanitary pad, tissue, bar soap, of course we have our toothbrush, and then toothpaste, then shampoo, and our body soap. For our tools, we have here the scissor, the rope, and then lastly we have the whistle. And for our electronic devices, we have here flashlight, power bank, charger, phone, and then we have here a radio, and then lastly we have batteries. For our money and important documents, we have here our birth certificate, the ID, and then our money. And lastly, for our clothing, we have here our extra shirt. And that's what's inside my go bag. I hope I give you some idea for preparing your go bag. Thank you for watching.